Hi, Brother Troy!
This is Andrea.
Hello, Teo and Shello.
Nandito na kami sa Canada. Nauna na kami sa inyo. Tingnan mo, naka-jacket na kami. Lamig!
Oo nga. At saka ang dami na namin nagawang halo-halo sa dami ng yelo.
Oo, yung dami ng yelo kasing dami ng challenges dito.
Pero dahil sama-sama kayo, alam namin nakakayanin niyo yung mga challenges na parating dyan. And we know, dito ba? Oh, dito pala. Kasi
Oo,
nasa Canada nga tayo. Di ba, kita-kita na lang tayo.
Oo nga.
But anyway, we want you to know that your Jebel Ali family will always be here for you. We're just kung nasa Canada na kayo, kahit na nasa Canada rin kami, we're just FB
Festival
away.
pa rin tayo.
Of course, we're just FB away. We're just text away. Nandito lang kami. If you need prayers, we're here. If you need money, kami na lang ang padala nyo rito. But seriously, may you continue to be an inspiration. Kasi dito sa Jebel Ali, as I've always been, sinasabi ko yan sa inyo na you are always an inspiration to us as family. Yung service ninyo talagang grabe and bongga. So, thank you so much. Si Tio and Shello, they're always
The angels.
the angels in Feast Jebel Ali and in the entire sa community. Palaging nakasmile ang heart ko kapag ka hinahagat kinikis ko sila, and kapag ka nag-play kami. Although
Ano ba play nyo?
hindi kami madalas mag-play, sila Arian lang eh. Wala, yung huli lang yung nagtalunan dito sa
Hindi ka naman tumalon.
Oo, hindi ako tumalon. But anyway, we wish you and we pray for you lahat ng kailangan nyo sa Canada, and all the best for you.
See you again.
See you again sa career ninyo. Maging maayos lahat, and we pray that God will bless you always sa pagpunta ninyo sa Canada.
Good luck!
And
We love you.
we love you, and we're going to miss you.
Oo nga.
We'll miss you.
Bye-bye.
Hi, this is Andrea, Brother Toy, Little Teo, and Shallow. It was a great opportunity to meet you and walk along with you guys in this world. I admire you both, Sis Andrea and Brother Troy. Thanks for the happy moments that we shared. Nakakalungkot, actually nakakaiyak na nga, thinking that you guys is going to leave us here, but I know that this will be for the future of your family. I am hoping for the best for your family. Till we meet again.
Hi, sis Andrea, Brother Troy. Thank you for accommodating us. Yung dance means pagka-practicean. Ingat kayo kung saan man kayo pupunta. Continue serving the Lord. And sis Andrea, you're so cool. Kasi yung hindi ko akalain na nanay ka na pala, and then you're still dancing for the Lord. So sobrang cool siya. So continue it. And Brother Troy, so yun nga, yung pagtugtog mo rin. So tuloy mo siya kung saan man kayo pupunta. God bless and see you again.
Or namimiss kayo namin. And salamat sa for accommodating us every time may practice. And salamat Teo sa imbitasyon mo lagi. And what else? And we will miss you all. At sana pag nakapunta kayong Canada, invite niyo naman ako. Don't forget. Bye-bye. I love you all.
Hi, True Family. I want to introduce myself. My name is Blessy Christy Muliat, and I want to tell you welcome to Canada. Kidding aside, I'm really happy and I'm really grateful that you guys are finally moving to a new home. It's a nice place. It's a beautiful environment, and you will meet nice and warm people out there. And I'm pretty sure that Theo and Shallow are going to love there. And I want to take this opportunity to thank God for giving a way for me to know you and be friends with you guys through the Feast Travel Alley family. And I'm truly blessed because I have known a bit of your story as individuals, to couples, and to family that you have right now, and during the Inner Healing family. And you guys are truly an inspiration. I do admire that you really spare time as husband and wife, and you do spend quality time to your kids, and that's so cool because kids, they spell love as Time, and it's so nice to know that you guys are giving that to your kids, and good job. I salute you for that.
Hi, Sis Andrea. This is Jonah. I just want to say thank you for being such a good friend, a best friend, and a mentor to me. Even though maiksi lang ang pinagsamahan natin, pero still, memorable sa akin yun. And of course, hindi naman doon natatapos yung friendship natin eh. Malayo ka man sa paningin namin, but still, meron namang mga FB dyan. Pwede tayong magkaroon ng communication. I'm happy sa inyong family at yung plans nyo na pumunta ng Canada. I know naman na matagal nilang plano yun. And ayun, mamimiss namin ang mga kids, si Tio na lagi uni-invite mag-dinner date, at si Shelo na naglalaro kami ng kanyang mga babies. And of course, mamimiss ka namin sa practice at ang Double Tree Hotel, di ba? Social kaya ng practice natin sa Double Tree Hotel. I think that's all. I don't want to say goodbye kasi I know na makikita rin tayo soon. And ayun. I'm happy for you and to your family. God bless you and your family. I love you, Sisi. And to Brother Troy, thank you for accepting us dun sa bahay mo sa Double Tree Hotel. Kasi doon kami nagpa-practice ng dance mean. At saka, nakita ko yung how you love your family. So, idol. Idol kita. That's it. See you soon.
Hi bro, sis.
Hello, ate, kuya.
Okay, message daw para para sa pamilyang Chu. Well, for you brother Troy. So ano pa message ko sa'yo? So bro, you've been a huge blessing joining the feast, especially as part of the music ministry. So I consider you bro, para siyang ikaw yung parang missing piece of the puzzle. So parang ikaw yung si Batman, tsaka ako si Robin. Parang sinasabi ko na, bro, you complete me. So my dream of having a group like we have now has turned into reality. So it's been an unforgettable praising and worshiping you with you, brother Troy. And now, ang nakakalungkot kasi you're leaving. I know God's plan is to put you somewhere else bigger and you have a bigger puzzle to patch, or maybe you are the first piece to start a huge puzzle. Para naman kay Sis Andrea, parang bilib na bilib ako sa iyo kasi napaka-supportive mo. And kina Tio and Shelo, parang malaking blessing kasi naging parent kayo. Para kayong ano tawag dito, parang malaking model, yung parang perfect model as a parent. Ikaw naman. Sis Pep.
Sis Pep, Brother Dave. Okay. For me, in general, yung whole family kasi ni Brother Troy and ni Sis Andrea, it's such a huge inspiration sa lahat. First of all, makita natin yung passion, yung service ni Brother Troy. Para siyang hindi napapagod. Kay Sis Andrea naman, the first time na nakita ko si Sis na sumayaw sa feast, it was really shocking. Na-shock ako talaga, in a good way. Kasi parang naisip ko, wow, may little kid si Ate Andrea. May dalawa siyang inaalagaan, but she's capable of sharing her talent sa feast through dancing. So parang sa sarili ko naisip ko na, wow, wala akong inaalagaan, but how can I not serve? So parang sila yung role model ng feast natin. The perfect model sa lahat, and para sa amin ni Dave na we will soon to have build a family. So we consider your family as our model. Na in the future, sana yung family namin maging katulad nyo. Like si Dave, I know na he's like Brother Troy. He's into service, into serving the Lord. And being a leader of the family, it's a very good thing na siya yung nag-guide sa amin in the future. And ako din, though busy sa work, I should be like Ate Andrea, like kahit busy, meron pa ring time to serve and be in the feast. And sa mga anak namin in the future, like Theo and Shelo, nandun sila lagi. Though, hindi sila yung mga bata na mag-aano na why we are here in the feast, we're supposed to be playing outside. Hindi. Alam nila, nakikita nila yung value, mga bata pa sila ng pag-serve kay God. So, yun, mamimiss namin kayo. It's been an unforgettable journey sa pag-join nyo ng feast. And we thank you for all the learnings and all the insights that you have given us as a family, sa mga jamming, sa mga pag-gitara, and then sa dinner namin sa house nyo. Thank you so much. And I know that this is not goodbye.
Yeah.
This is not the end of this all.
Magkikita pa rin tayo.
Magkikita tayo sa nagkikita tayo somewhere, kahit saan man yan. Keep in touch sa FB, or I know that we'll still have communication, and I know that you'll serve a greater purpose kung saan kayo pupunta.
Yes.
And then you'll serve the Lord more, and I know that your family will be more blessed. And then ingat lagi. We'll pray for you, and
Good luck.
Good luck sa lahat.
Good luck sa bagong journey
sa bagong journey. And
always pray.
yes. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
sa
Bye.
lahat.
Bye.
I'm gonna miss you. Bye.
Give me your hands, show me the door. I cannot stand to wait anymore. Somebody said, be what you be. We could be old and cold and dead on the sea. But I love you more than words can say. Oh, I can't count the reasons I should stay. Give me some rope, time and a dream. Give me the hope to run out of steam. Somebody said it could be here. We could be roped up, tied up, dead in a year. I can't count the reasons I should stay. One by one, they all just fade away. I'm tired of the waiting seas. I'm tired of that part of me that makes up a perfect life to keep us between. But I was turning the days, so watch what you throw away and be able to recognize there's another way. Give me some more time and a dream. Give me the hope to run out of steam.